Hello again, everybody. So now I'm going to continue with exercise 40, mirror. And please keep in mind that we are continuing with the same auxiliary model that we have been using since exercise 36, the file called move. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and select the group on the left side of the screen, and then we're going to mirror. So go ahead and type mirror into the command bar and press enter. For the start of mirror plane, type 0, 0, and then press enter. And then for the end of mirror plane, pick a point directly above the previous point, making sure that ortho is on, like so, and click one time with your left mouse button to finalize the command. Since you mirrored a group, in addition to having a mirror image copy, you now also have two groups, 1 and 2. And that concludes exercise 40.